Uh-oh. I have no idea what I did, but this thing is stuck as hell. Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. I need my sunglasses. Totally forgot about them. But we've got an S-classe. Now look at that. This is just luxury and high tech. Let's talk about it. As you can tell by the badge, it's an S350D. That means it's a diesel, it's 3 liter, it's got 286 horsepower, 600 Newton meters of torque, and it's got a 9-speed automatic. What do you expect? An S-classe with a manual? Nah. It's got the all-new headlights in the front. Look at that. And the only thing that's really bothering me is like they got this giant plates in here, and it's not. Yeah, I don't know. And they got the camera right over there, and that's not what I expected actually. So if you look from it from afar, it's not. I mean, it's not that bad, but it's not really. I mean, yeah, they could have made that one different. And the all-new, redesigned, much more futuristic, sharp, modern-looking taillights. And I'll show you guys the trunk space. It's huge. Look at that. Got all my camera gear in there, and still, you get tons and tons of space in here. Crazy. And of course, we've got the 19-inch wheels. Very comfy, big tires, so comfy. Now, let's go to the inside and see where the real magic happens. Look at that. Neato. And of course, as most expensive Mercedes, they've got the lazy doors. And I'm kind of lazy, so that's awesome. And if you get in here, look at that. This is just luxury all over the place. We've got 12.8-inch OLED display. I'll be turning that on in a second. Look at that. Really fast, really neato. Tons and tons of things in there. You've coffee shops. You can even at coffee shops and ask for the weather. And there's like a lady in there, and if you ask her like, hey Mercedes. Hey Mercedes.
Zeg het maar.
What?
Ik weet niet alles, maar ik spreek altijd de waarheid.
Okay. Hey Mercedes.
Zeg het maar.
Yeah, she's Dutch. Massage seats.
Kun je dat nog een keer zeggen?
Massage seats.
Sorry, daarbij kan ik je nu niet helpen.
Yeah, she's Dutch. She does not understand one massage. Anyway, let's turn this beast on. Look at that. Seats moving. Everything is in memory. Everything is memorized. You can have the heated seats, you can have the cooling seats, and you can also adjust the rear seats. So if you get someone in the back and you want to play with your friends, just turn up the heat on the back seat, and you can have a little laugh. Now, these buttons on the side are touch sensitive, so even if you touch them just a little bit, the seat reacts. Awesome. And standard Mercedes buttons, nothing too special about that. Piano black, my opinion, never get piano black. Every time you touch something with your finger, yeah, that's gonna leave a mark. And of course, every E-class and S-class comes equipped with the Burmester sound system. And I gotta admit, if you ever get a car and you can get the Burmester, get it. This system sounds amazing. And of course, this menu is totally huge. The things you can do behind this display is, yeah, I mean, massage seats. Sorry for everything being in Dutch, but yeah, well, I live in Belgium, so it's kind of Dutchy. But these are all the massage functions. You can have cooled massage, you can have heated massage, you can adjust everything in position on how you want your seats to be. More sporty, more comfortable. You can have like, you can blow this up and that up, and this soft little pillow over here, and you can fully adjust it as you wish. And of course, the thing that I love most is the lighting. Yeah, too bad sun is really shining because you can't really see it. But this thing is like covered in neon lights. You can have a couple of effects, and for example, if you want, you can have multiple color selections. You can make it, yeah, pink. If you're in a green day, nobody likes green day anyway, but you can make it green. I'm like that blue kind of guy. Yeah, that's my settings. Like dark over there and a little bit more light over here. Really like it. And one of the safe systems I already noticed today is when I stopped kind of late for a car in front of me, all those lights turn red and my seatbelt starts yanking on my shoulder. So yeah, it's pretty protective. I feel really safe in this car and I really feel like it's protecting me. Pretty neato. You also got this car. Where did I leave it? Here it is. 360 view. There we go. We can play with the Mercedes. Look at that. Give it a spin like that. Whee! Whee! Not really sure what this is for, but you know, maybe it's for the kids. If you bring the kids along, they can play with that. I don't really know. And also one of the things that's not the biggest cost on an S-Class, but what I really like and I really want in my AMG now are these pillows. I mean, they're like this Alcantara. They're so soft, they're so... It's so nice, so nice. You can put your mobile phone in there and it will charge for you. Bleep. Let's go over to the steering wheel. This is all touch sensitive. You just gotta touch it really slow. There we go. And we got the different menus because this is of course all digital, sorry for that. So you can go from easy to sporty. Now that's AMG sporty. This is not an AMG, sorry about that, but yeah, I really like the sporty stuff. And of course, all things are very nice put together, very decent quality of leather, nice stitching, and I really like this this kind of brownish with the blue. Really like the combination. And this, I would take this in carbon fiber or something like that, but this is like yeah, relaxing. And this is what I really like on this car. You can personalize every single settings when it comes to music. So it starts playing like this violin and you can set the settings. I don't really want that to be that loud, really don't like that instrument. So next instrument. Oh yeah, I really like violin, so I'm gonna put the violin all the way up there. Next one, the balance between the violin, and I have no idea what that is, but let's put the balance in the middle. It's not in the middle. It's not working. I think I broke it. Holy crap. I guess it's stuck or something. No idea what happened, but yeah, I think I broke it. Uh-oh. I have no idea what I did, but this thing is stuck as hell. Uh-oh. I'm gonna try and open the door and make it shut down. Like this is what you get with the piano black. It's like dirty fingers all over the place. So for some reason I was activating the sound system and it totally failed. So yeah, that's not what it's supposed to do. So let's try it again. No, I think I totally jammed the thing. Uh-oh. Yeah, this is totally not working. Yeah, I think I'm gonna head over back to the garage and see why my display is not doing anything anymore. Maybe I pressed the wrong button or something. Don't really know. So oh, now it's Hey, wait, it changed screen. So I think I might have pressed a wrong button here or there. It's also not going to the home screen. Yeah, nothing is function not available, so maybe I can turn it off for a second. Yeah, no, I can't do nothing about this. So yeah. So I really love this car in every way possible. In every single way possible, I really love this car. It's so smooth, it's so comfy, really like it. But yeah, I think I destroyed the display. So gonna shut it off. Gonna get outside and just gonna lock the car and open it again and maybe give the display some rest. I think I went too hard on the music part. Gotta check out what's wrong with that. So yeah, here I am with my S-classe. That's kind of broke down, and yeah, we gotta fix that. But it's comfy. It's got lots of tech, a lot of display buttons and things like that. Really like it. Hope you guys liked the short video of this Mercedes S-classe review too. And I'm gonna do a point of view drive and make some cool shots with it. And I'll see you guys in the next video with the next car. Peace.